Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Goa is well known for its extensive coastline, beautiful breathtaking beaches, and delicious seafood. Hi, my name is Laddie and today we'll share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for a mouth-watering seafood dish that is very easy and simple to prepare. Our recipe for today is delicious Goan Squid Chilly Fry. Step 1. Preparing the squids. Take 500 grams or half kg of squids. To learn how to clean squids, refer to step 1 of our Goan Squid Fry recipe. Click the link which is displayed at the top right hand corner of your screen now. You will also find this link in the description box. Once you have finished cleaning the squids, cut the squids into rings and cut the tentacles into smaller pieces. Then wash them thoroughly and drain the water completely. Squids are ready to be marinated. Add half teaspoon of salt. Apply it properly to all the pieces. Cover and keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions and slice them long. 1 medium-sized tomato sliced long. Use half part of a medium-sized capsicum and slice it long. 2 green chillies. Cut it into half and then slit them. Take 8 to 10 medium-sized garlic cloves and cut them fine. Take a small bunch of coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Cut it fine. Take half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Take half-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Let it soak in quarter cup or 60 ml of warm water. After around 15 minutes, squeeze the pulp to get the tamarind water. Discard the tamarind skin, seeds or fibers if present. Tamarind water is ready. You will only need 2 tablespoons of tamarind water for this recipe. You can save the remaining for later use. Half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the squid chilli fry. On medium heat, in an open, thick bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions. Stir the onions nicely. Once the onions have been fried for a minute or 2, add the finely cut garlic pieces. Stir it nicely. After a minute or so, add the squids. Stir them nicely. Do not add water at this time as the squids will release its own liquid. Stir occasionally to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pan. After a minute or so, cover the pan and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the pan. Stir everything properly. Add the cut tomato, add the capsicum, add the green chilies, add the salt, add turmeric or haldi powder, add the Kashmiri red chili powder, add the cumin or jeera powder, add the 2 tablespoons of tamarind water. Stir everything properly.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Stir occasionally to prevent the squids from sticking to the pan. If the liquid in the pan has dried out completely, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Total cooking time for the squids is around 8 to 10 minutes. Overcooking will make it rubbery. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Check for salt and add if required. Garnish with coriander or cilantro leaves and stir it nicely.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Delicious Goan Squid Chilly Fry is ready. Enjoy it hot with rice, bread or chapati, or you can serve it as an appetizer or starter. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.